In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a block on Squarespace. If you're customizing your site and want certain content to disappear from the desktop version of a page, Squarespace makes that process very simple. This can be useful if a block looks better on mobile, if you want a cleaner desktop layout, or if you're testing different design options without deleting the block entirely. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to hide a block in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Squarespace page in editing mode and locate the block you want to hide. Once you've found it, click directly on that block. This is important because you want to make sure the correct block is selected before opening any options. If your page has several blocks placed close together, take an extra second here to confirm you're clicking the right one. Selecting the correct block first will help avoid changing the wrong element by mistake. After the block is selected, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with additional options related to that specific block. If you're using a trackpad or a device without a traditional mouse, use the equivalent right-click gesture for your device. The goal here is simply to open the menu that contains display and visibility settings for the block you chose. Once that menu appears, click on Hide on Desktop. As soon as you select this option, the block will be hidden from the desktop view of your site. This means visitors viewing your website on a desktop or laptop screen will no longer see that block, while it may still remain visible in other views depending on your layout and settings. That's all it takes. The block is not deleted, so you can still come back later and adjust it if needed. This is one of the easiest ways to control how content appears across different devices while keeping your page flexible and organized. As a quick tip, after hiding the block, preview your page to make sure the desktop layout still looks the way you want. It's always a good idea to double-check spacing and alignment after making visibility changes, especially if the hidden block was part of a larger section. And that's how to hide a block on Squarespace.